In this video, we're diving into whether Scalenut is the best AI content and SEO tool for faster content creation. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we'll cut through the fluff to help you make smarter decisions about digital tools that can help you grow your business. Now, if you've been overwhelmed by the idea of researching keywords, writing long articles, and optimizing them for search engines, you're not alone. The demand for high-quality content continues to rise, and so does the pressure to produce it quickly without sacrificing quality. Have you ever stared at a blank page, wishing you could have an assistant who researches keywords, drafts outlines, writes the article, and then suggests improvements to rank better on Google? That's essentially what Scalenut promises. But does it deliver? Let's take a closer look. What is Scalenut? Scalenut is a cloud-based platform that combines AI writing capabilities with SEO tools. It positions itself as an all-in-one solution for content marketers, bloggers, and businesses who need to produce keyword-driven articles at scale. Instead of hopping between a keyword research tool, a separate writing assistant, and a different on-page optimizer, Scalenut aims to provide all these functions in a single dashboard. Key modules and features. Cruise mode, a guided workflow that helps you generate a full article from keyword selection to final draft. It walks you through choosing a keyword, analyzing the top search results, creating an outline, and writing content. Keyword planner suggests keyword clusters, search volumes, and difficulty scores to help you target topics with high potential. You can explore related keywords and group them into pillars and clusters. Content optimizer analyzes your draft against the current top-ranking pages for your target keyword. It provides suggestions on word count, readability, keyword usage, and content structure. AI Copywriter. This offers templates for marketing copy, such as product descriptions, ad headlines, and social media posts. If you need quick, short-form content, these templates can really come in handy. Integrations. Scalenut integrates with tools like SEMrush for keyword metrics and Grammarly for grammar and style checking. These partnerships extend its capabilities beyond what's built in. Now that we understand the components, let's explore how to use the platform. Getting started with Scalenut. Setting up your account. Sign up on Scalenut's website and choose a subscription plan that fits your needs. There's typically a free trial, but it may limit features such as the number of keywords that you can research or the volume of AI-generated words. Now, once logged in, you'll see a dashboard with options like Keyword Planner, Cruise Mode, and Content Optimizer. Using the Keyword Planner. So to begin a content project, click on the Keyword Planner. Enter a seed keyword related to your niche. Scalenut generates a list of keywords grouped into clusters. For example, if your seed keyword is vegan recipes, clusters might include quick vegan breakfast, vegan lunch ideas, and high-protein vegan dinners. Each keyword is accompanied by search volume and difficulty score. Select a cluster that balances high search volume with manageable competition. Once you choose a cluster, Scalenut provides deeper insights. The top web pages ranking for these keywords, common questions asked by users, and the average word count of the top results. You can save these insights to inform your article outline later. Launching Cruise Mode. Cruise Mode guides you through writing a full article. Here's how it works. Enter your primary keyword. This is the main term that you want to rank for. You can also add secondary keywords or import a keyword cluster from the planner. Analyze the SERP. Scalenut scans the top pages that rank for your keyword. It summarizes the common headings, subtopics, and questions these pages cover. You'll see statistics like average word count and readability scores. Generate an outline. Based on the SERP analysis, Scalenut proposes an outline with headings and subheadings. You can customize this outline by adding or removing sections. This step ensures that you include essential topics that the top ranking pages address. Write the content. Once the outline is ready, Scalenut's AI drafts content for each section. It may propose multiple paragraph options. Review these suggestions and choose the one that best fit your voice. You can also prompt the AI to rewrite or expand paragraphs. Optimize the draft. After completing the draft, use the Content Optimizer to compare your article against top pages. It highlights areas where you may need to incorporate specific secondary keywords, increase word count, or improve readability. Evaluating content quality. AI writing tools have advanced rapidly, but they still lack human nuance. So here are tips for reviewing Scalenut generated content. Check for factual accuracy. AI AI may generate plausible but incorrect statements. Verify facts with trusted sources. Maintain your voice. While Scalenut offers a neutral tone, it may not capture your unique style. Edit sentences to sound like you. Avoid repetition. AI sometimes repeats phrases or concepts. Remove redundant sentences and vary your language. Ensure coherence. Make sure transitions between sections are smooth. If paragraphs feel disjointed, then add some bridging sentences. By taking the time to edit, you elevate the AI draft into a polished piece that resonates with your readers. Content optimization and on-page SEO. Scalenut's Content Optimizer provides a score based on multiple factors. Here's how to use it effectively. Keyword usage. The tool shows how often your primary and secondary keywords appear. Avoid stuffing keywords. Focus on natural usage. Heading structure. It compares your headings to those of the top pages. Use similar topics, but bring your own perspective. Readability. A readability score indicates how easy your text is to read. Aim for a conversational tone that doesn't sacrifice clarity. Content depth. Top pages cover certain subtopics that you missed. Consider adding sections to make your article more comprehensive. Iterate on these suggestions until you reach a satisfactory score. Remember, SEO is about satisfying both search engines and human readers using the AI Copywriter. Beyond long-form articles, Scalenut provides templates for various marketing tasks. Need a product description? Enter the product name, features, and target audience. And Scalenut generates a draft. Writing an email subject line? Provide the context, and the tool proposes options. These templates are useful for quick tasks, but you should still tailor the output to your brand voice. Integration with other tools. Scalenut's integrations enhance its capabilities. SEMrush pulls in accurate search volume data and keyword difficulty, improving the reliability of your keyword research. Grammarly ensures your grammar and style are on point. Once you draft content, run it through Grammarly to catch errors and improve clarity. WordPress plugin. If you use WordPress, Scalenut's plugin lets you import articles directly into your CMS, preserving formatting. These integrations streamline your workflow and reduce context switching between multiple tools. Pros and cons of Scalenut. Advantages. Integrated workflow. Scalenut combines keyword research, content creation, and optimization in one platform. This saves time compared to juggling separate tools. Cruise mode efficiency. The guided process helps you avoid blank page syndrome. Even if you're a novice, you'll have a structured path to follow. Comprehensive keyword data. The keyword planner provides cluster suggestions and insights into search intent, helping you target topics effectively. Cost effective. Compared to hiring writers and subscribing to multiple SEO tools, Scalenut offers a relatively affordable alternative. Drawbacks. Quality still requires editing. AI-generated content can be generic or occasionally off-topic. You'll need to spend time revising to make it unique and accurate. Learning curve. While the interface is user-friendly, the number of features can feel a bit overwhelming at first. It takes a few projects to understand how to best use them. Monthly subscription cost. Now, although affordable relative to hiring writers, it's still a recurring expense. Evaluate whether the output volume justifies the price. Being aware of these pros and cons helps you decide whether Scalenut matches your needs. It's a powerful assistant, but not a replacement for human insight. Comparing reviews and user experiences. Different reviewers emphasize different aspects of Scalenut. Some praise the clarity of the interface and the breadth of features. Others note that while the tool is impressive, it doesn't remove the need for skilled editing. The consensus is that Scalenut shines as a time-saving helper, not a fully autonomous writer. Weigh these opinions and consider your own workflow before committing. Best practices for using Scalenut. Do your own research. Use Scalenut's keyword suggestions as a starting point, but also explore trends and competitor content manually. This ensures you aren't relying solely on AI recommendations. Mix AI and manual writing. Let Scalenut draft certain sections, then inject personal anecdotes, examples, and analysis to differentiate your content. Edit ruthlessly. Remove filler phrases, fact-check statements, and refine language. The better your final article, the more readers will trust you. Monitor performance. After publishing, track how your articles rank and how much traffic they drive. If you notice patterns, such as certain topics performing better, adjust your keyword strategy accordingly. Stay updated. SEO best practices evolve. Keep learning about search algorithms and refine your approach. Scalenut is a tool, but your knowledge and creativity drive success. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at Scalenut's pricing. So if you want to get started with Scalenut, they've got several different plans to choose from. So taking a look at their GEO core. First things first, we can toggle between their monthly and their annual pricing to see that you can save 60%. So they're really pushing for that annual pricing. You get the essential plan starting at $20 a month when you pay annually, the growth plan starting at $32 per month, pro plan at $60, and then they also have a managed service here. So we're not gonna go through every single line item here, but you can go ahead and pause the screen right here to go ahead and see some of the differences between these different plans. So is Scalenut the best AI content and SEO tool for faster content creation? Well, that depends on your priorities. If you're looking for a platform that combines research, writing, and optimization in one place, Scalenut's a strong contender. Its cruise mode and keyword planner can jumpstart your content production and save you hours each week. For solopreneurs and small teams, Scalenut can be a huge game changer. So try it for yourself, explore its features, and decide how it fits into your content strategy. Now, if you want to get started with Scalenut, we've got a link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. Supporting the channel this way really helps us in creating practical, beginner-friendly content to help you learn and leverage AI. So if you end up using it, we truly appreciate it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here in AI Academy, we make videos that break down artificial intelligence tools, workflows, and strategies to help you stay ahead of the curve. But other than that, thanks again for watching. We'll see you here in the next one.